I'm Miss Melissa from the Elmwood Place Library. Today I will be showing you how to make a confetti launcher from things you have around your house. For this project, you will need a balloon, tissue paper or some sort of paper to launch. You'll need a cardboard tube. You can use a toilet paper roll or a paper cup. First, tie a knot in the open end of the balloon. You'll need a pair of scissors now for this next part. Now you're going to cut the balloon. It's best to cut off a dime-sized piece. Then you're going to stretch the balloon over the cardboard tube. Make sure the knot is centered. Next, you want to tear your paper for the confetti. You can either tear it or crumple it up. Go ahead and add that to your launcher. Now, you're going to pull gently on the tied end of the balloon and release to launch your confetti. You can also decorate your tube. I use stickers or markers. Think about what item launches the fastest out of your launcher. Try different things. You can also make a prediction sheet. Write down what you think will launch the fastest or the highest. Test it out and then report your results. What other supplies do you have at home to make a launcher? Try it out and tag us at Cincy Library. For more STEM at Home videos, check out our YouTube channel. Bye!